speed through your CC Consolidation loan application in 15 minutes or less. Feeling overwhelmed by mounting credit card debt? Don't worry, turning it around might be easier than you think. Upbeat background music, visuals of a person at a desk with a laptop and organized paperwork. Imagine consolidating your debt into one simple loan in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 15 minutes is all it takes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Acting fast isn't just about saving time. Consolidating credit card debt quickly can secure lower interest rates, reduce stress, and get you on track to pay off debt sooner. Every day you wait could mean losing out on better rates or paying more in interest. But with the right approach, you can simplify the process and save big. Every day you wait could mean losing out on better rates or paying more in interest. But with the right approach, you can simplify the process and save big. All right, here's how to fast-track your credit card consolidation loan in just 15 minutes. I'll break it down step by step, minute by minute. Stick with me. On screen holds up a checklist. Scene shows a timer ticking, with visuals matching each step as they're mentioned. I'll break it down step by step, minute by minute. Stick with me. Minutes 1 to 3, start your application. You'll enter basic personal information like your name, birth date, and social security number. Easy, right? Next, from minute 4 to 5, upload a few key documents. You'll need a government-issued ID, proof of income like pay stubs, and details about your current credit card balances. Minutes 6 through 10, share your financial history, like income and debts. This helps lenders assess your creditworthiness. Minutes 11 to 13 is the review stage. Take a good look at the loan terms, including interest rates and repayment plans. Make sure everything looks right. Finally, in minutes 14 and 15, hit submit. And now you can sit back and relax. Many online lenders send approvals within hours and deposit funds directly into your account within 24 to 48 hours. You might be wondering, does this really happen? Well, meet David. David had $20,000 in credit card debt across 5 cards, all with a 22% APR. After spending just 15 minutes applying with a lender, he received a loan the next day with an 8% APR. By consolidating, he saved over $6,000 in interest and simplified his payments. David had $20,000 in credit card debt across 5 cards, all with a 22% APR. After spending just 15 minutes applying with a lender, he received a loan the next day with an 8% APR. By consolidating, he saved over $6,000 in interest and simplified his payments. Now let's talk tips to make your application process even faster and smoother. Use online tools like pre-qualification calculators to estimate your loan terms in advance. Go paperless. Upload PDFs or photos instead of scrambling for physical documents. Write a checklist of everything you'll need to save time mid-application. With these strategies, you'll be ready to knock out your application even faster. Uplifting background music, visuals of someone celebrating their loan approval while looking relieved. Taking control of your financial future doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With preparation, the right tools, and a great lender, you can complete your credit card consolidation loan application in just 15 minutes. Think about it. One application, one simple payment, and the chance to save thousands of dollars. The sooner you start, the sooner you can take a big step toward financial freedom. Start your 15-minute application now. Your debt-free future begins here. Visit website to apply today.